Awati Motors, Maruti Suzuki's authorized service station. We are car experts and we have been providing lots of car services since 17 years under the leadership of Mr. Sheetal Awati. Awati Motors established on 15th August 2001. Since then, we are making our customers happy with our services. We provide car foam wash and interior cleaning. Car general checkup, servicing and maintenance. Car modification, denting, painting and polishing. We have high technology machines for wheel alignment and wheel balancing. Also, we have AC gas filling machine. Decarbon machine. We use DMS software to maintain customers' data and track history. All cars' genuine parts and accessories are available at us. Our excellent staff and trained engineers are always ready to provide excellent service. We have spacious waiting room, 24/7 call support, customers feedback system for customers' convenience. We provide roadside assistance services. If your car breaks down anywhere 50 km from Sangli, just call us on
8390136222
and we will be there at your service. First 3 free servicing of new cars, car insurance, insurance renewal and cashless insurance claim services are available at us. Also, we do accidental repairing. We have separate workshop for other company cars. In last 17 years, we have more than 6,000 satisfied customers. Our huge and inspired team always willing to serve you. Awati Motors, the car expert.